Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link Epic Games to Steam account pro method step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Log in to your Epic Games account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile name in the top right corner. In the account settings, look for the Connections tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Connections tab, then select the Accounts option. Locate the Steam icon among the listed platforms. Click on the Connect button next to the Steam icon. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter your Steam username and password, then click the Sign In button. If prompted, complete any SteamGuard verification. After successful login, you may be asked to authorize the connection between Epic Games and Steam. Confirm the authorization by clicking on the appropriate button. Once the accounts are linked, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now close the pop-up window and return to your Epic Games account settings. To check if the connection was successful, refresh the accounts page. You should now see Steam listed as a connected account. Congratulations, your Epic Games account is now linked to your Steam account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.